an amazing opportunity. I started on the robot a few weeks back, and I invested $100. I couldn't look am. Every day I was making $1, and I was making the robot does not trade weekends. So on $100, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I made $5. I did look am. On Saturday, it will now credit your wallet. It credited my wallet $5. Second Saturday, $5, making $10. The third Saturday, $6, making $16. Then the fourth Saturday, it made me like almost $7. The total money I made was $25 in 1 month on a $100 investment. I just think I say, should they say this robot now 10% they give. I can't look and say, make I increase the money. That's how first thing I did was I withdrew my money so I could spend it. As I withdrew the $25, which is about 12,000, I just ordered suya with the whole money. We ate the suya. We saw that the suya was real. At the suya me at the taste buds and the children, we all ate the suya. We saw that, hey, this suya is real. This thing is real. Oh boy. Now so I carry extra $400 put this Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't make $23 on top my $500 in 3 days. 3 days. By this Friday, I don't go meet everybody where they owe me money plus everybody where they owe money. I won't go collect. Waiting they call a susu. Mo fe log ba jo, all my ajo. I won't convert all. Make I begin the trade forex. Because this one impressed me. 3 days, I don't make $23. And I go come out am this Friday, use and chop suya. So I go know, say, okay, this thing they work. Ladies.